How to get free traffic in WordPress. Getting free traffic to your WordPress site isn't just possible, it's a game changing strategy when done right. So, to do that, you need to first go ahead and master SEO or search engine optimization. Optimizing your site for search engines is the foundation of free traffic. So, on your WordPress account, head over to the plugins tab and then search for Yoast SEO or Rank Math. These plugins will guide your optimization. Write content that answers those queries clearly and thoroughly and use keyword search tools to find what your audience is searching for. Second, you need to repurpose and share your content. Don't let your blog posts sit idle. Turn them into videos, infographics, or social media threads. Share on platforms like Pinterest, Reddit, and Quora, and embed your posts in YouTube descriptions or answer questions with links. Now, the third thing you can do is to add free tools or calculators. Offering interactive tools like calculators or quizzes can attract repeat visitors and backlinks. So make sure to use plugins like Sureforms to build custom tools like this. So on the plugins tab, head back and then go ahead and search for Sureforms. So this plugin will allow you to add applications into your pages, promote them on niche forums or social media. Now you need to track what works with analytics. Understanding where your traffic comes from helps you double down on what's working. Use privacy-friendly plugins like Independent Analytics and monitor real-time data, campaign performance, and use behavior. Tap into social media and communities. Social platforms and niche forums are gold mines for free traffic. Share your posts regularly on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and join relevant groups and participate in discussions. Use Reddit and Q&A sites to link back to your comment. And that is how you can basically get free traffic in WordPress.